How you doing, man?
Hey, man. How about
Sir,
yourself?
pretty good, man. I like this. Looks good. Simple and clean.
Exactly. Only something that didn't get beat up by
Yeah.
all this lows.
Yes, sir. Woo! You want to give me a rundown real quick?
4 HCCA 15s, regular, not SPLs.
Okay.
2 HCCA 5000.1Ds, 150 amp hour of lithium cmax, 320 amp all, couple runs to the back, and a hell of a 6th order.
Oh, yeah. And you shrunk it till it was loudest or lowest or what?
That's where I prefer it at right now.
Okay.
I'll play with it a little bit more. I literally just got all this finished like last night. So.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
And it's solid.
Oh yeah, that
Yep.
sunroof killed me.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet, yeah. So you just got it playing, the subs are broken in, or they're still breaking
Yeah,
in?
no, they're broken.
They're broken?
I've been
Okay.
playing it, but with no loading wall.
Okay. All right. What was your name?
Sean Singleton.
Sean Singleton. All right. Yeah, that's a big 6th order. How'd you fit that this car?
I almost did.
Almost didn't.
Almost.
Yeah, and a Magnum. That was like 26 hertz up to like mid 40s, or
25 and up.
25 and up. Okay. Wow. We're here. I'm gonna let her help me outside. Play a song for her.
You know what's going on?
I gotta roll one. Which window you want up?
I'll go over there.
I break the bank like an athlete.
Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem,
That was
man.
Nice.
I love it.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.